Mommy and Traho Mesum Ruyan, Zania Sokania.
Yeah.
Yen Pecresin. Yen face you ho. You have to see Perfango, no, no face you were not so. Not so. Mommy and call from ho. Communication young crying. Call to no door so. My it is occultism. Yes, communication. Hey. O person so stay any power. And I won't let the communication go like that. Yeah, motive of flashy cars. And the whole year communication that's a time. NPP is completely appalling for the past few years when it comes to communication. Yeah, Bungrove Wabem. Her party, Uber so stay the Uber say to Abama. About 80% of your core supporters must garnish momentum. And the NPP, 80% of our core supporters no are associate any power no way. It is down to 49%. If election is held today, I smell ghost scent on NPP. And yet, me say yet, let us do what is right. Communication yet. And one wako table dodo pie bra yansa jamu achichidi ati no 129 no timi nante
101.3 want to me radio nyaminsa wo
NDC has a field day where so NDC na person NDC power eba power it will have been the easiest. Yes, it will have been the easiest.
Wow.
Yes. They don't need to do anything. MPP for akwajo sam any je ni person min kuminya abema MDC aba power. They don't need to do anything. Internal wrangling. Yeah,